And the next thing is brow. Oh no. Hi guys, it's Jessica and welcome to my soft glam guide. So let's get into the video. So when it comes to soft glam, I need to make sure my skin is hydrated so it looks fresh and not too dry, not too matte, because I don't like the whole matte look. I prefer a dewy look. So I'm going to go in with my Clinique moisturizer. I like this Clinique moisturizer because this one is an oil control moisturizer, and when I'm moisturizing my face, I like to pull up just to help with aging. I'm going to take my Evita Joseph eyebrow pencil. When it comes to soft glam, you don't want to go in for a really harsh, intense eyebrow. You want your eyebrows to look really natural and not too done. So I'm just filling in the sparse area, which is the ends of the brow, and a little bit in between my eyebrows. If you're wondering which brow number this is Perfect Chocolate number 2. It's not so dark, and then the more you press in, the deeper it gets. So if you're lighter than me, you can go light-handed and then it won't be as dark as this, but even this is not really dark. So for soft glam, I like to make sure that my foundation is very minimal. I'm going to use the New Caledonia and then the All Day Luminous. I'm taking one pump, and then I'm going to take a pump of the All Day Luminous in dark 3. That one is a little bit red, just to give my skin some warmth. And I'm going to take my foundation brush. I'm just mixing the products at the back of my hand. So you want to pat and distribute the product on your skin. The key to a nice, soft, natural glam is blending. Blending is like the ultimate secret to getting a flawless, natural looking makeup. So now I'm going to take my sponge and then go back in and just blend. This is the Fenty Beauty sponge. I'm mixing Born This Way Chestnut and then number NW45 MAC. This is my CVL Beauty eyebrow brush. And now I'm going to use that same concealer to highlight underneath my brows. Just to clean up my eyebrows. Take the sponge and then blend this out. going to cream contour, and what I want to do is I'm going to mix my NARS All Day Luminous because it's very warm. I'm going to mix that with the Lancome Tint Idol. This was a tester given to me. It's very dark, but I don't want it to be too cool. I want my contour to be warm. So I'm going to take this brush and then tap. See, now that is intensified. And I'm going to brush it up and then go around my face. So you see how now my face is all warmed out. Going to go back in with my foundation, the sponge, and then just blend out around where the concealer is in the contour of my foundation, just so there isn't any line. I just broke my Mineralized Skin Finish powder. And now I'm going to take my broken Mineralized Skin Finish and then just set my under eye. You see the difference? To set all of my highlighted areas. I'm even set my eyelids as well. So now I'm going to warm up my face, and I'm using the Patricia Bright palette, and I'm going to take this shade here. I'm using this to set the contoured area. I really like warm browns to set my contoured areas, because the cool ones make it contoured, but the warm ones make it look bronzed. That's what I like. And I'm taking it on the apples of my cheek and then a little bit higher. Then around the perimeter of my hairline. I'm coming closer so you see. And I make sure I bring the bronzer or the contour powder close to my eyebrow, like this area, just so I just warm like the perimeter, like all here. I just like that look. Yeah. And then now I'm going to use that same powder to contour my nose a little. And I'm going to take the blush in the palette, this one. Ooh. And with the blush too, I like to take it here, just tap on a little here, and then here as well, and then here, and then the tip of my nose. For my highlighter, I'm still going to go into this palette. I love the look of this but I have to change the brush. I'm switching over to a highlighting brush, the Evita Joseph Classic. And for my highlighter, I bring it down a little just so when I'm looking straight forward and I smile, you can still see some highlighter on my cheek. I just like that look. And then a little at the tip of my nose. My eyes, I'm going to take the bronzer and use that in my crease. I like to use bronzing powders in my crease. I just like how warm it makes the eye look. So I'm just going to take a matte lighter shade. So any bright brown, you can take that and then just put that on your lid. So now I'm going to take a dark brown shade and use that to just darken my lash line. So you can use a dark brown or a black if you want it to be intense, but then I'm going for a dark brown just so it's not super intense. So I'll just put it here and I'm just pushing it. Now I'm going to use my mascara. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm going to put on these rosé lashes. I've worn them several times, so it's looking nasty, but then yeah, I'm going to put on these. They are the New York lashes. When I'm going for a natural look, but with some sort of glam, rosé is my go-to for lashes. I love how natural the lashes look. This one is in the style New York. That's my favorite natural lash. I have on these lashes. So I'm going in with So Aesthetics pencil in dark brown. I'm going to go in with So Aesthetics again. This is called Hot Chocolate. And I'm going to top it off with a gloss. So guys, this is the final look for my soft glam inspired look. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this tutorial and this look, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I would love that. Join the family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.